Welcome to the Torino range assembly instructions. When you open the cartons, you will find the chair or stool frame and the upholstered backrest and seat pattern. The tools you will need are a rubber mallet, a 5mm Allen key drill, thread lock and PVC wood glue. The hardware that will be included are 4 75mm screws and 4 25mm countersunk screws, 2 dowels and 4 wooden plugs. Part 1. Flip the seat piece over and apply thread lock to the 4 holes on the underside. Place the chair or stool frame upside down on top of the seat. Thread the 75mm screws through the frame and into the seat. Finally, use the drill to gradually tighten the screws until they are secured in place. Part 2. Flip the frame and seat over so it is balancing on an angle. Grab the upholstered backrest and apply thread lock to the 4 outer holes. Place the dowels into each of the middle holes until they are half sticking out. Ensure the backrest is facing the correct way and place it underneath the frame. Line up the dowels to the holes on the frame and push firmly together. Place the 4 25mm screws into the holes on either side of the backrest. And finally, use the drill to tighten the screws. Part 3. Flip the chair or stool over with the back facing you. Apply the PVC wood glue to the holes with the screws. Finally, use the rubber mallet to gently tap the wood plugs into the holes. The Torino chairs and stools are made from solid American ash or oak timber, stained in light oak, walnut or black. The range can have an upholstered or veneer seat, but unlike the Phoenix or Rialto, these do not have a veneer backrest option and is only available in either vinyl black or upholstered in custom fabric. The range has a long rectangular curved back that hugs around the sides, promoting comfort in a modern design perfect for all indoor dining applications.